Hi, my name is Cheryl Williams, and I'm the secretary here at Sheffield High School. Today, we're going to talk about how teachers can view schedules in PowerSchool. There is a step-by-step guide. First, you're going to log into PowerSchool for Teachers. You're going to select your class period. You're going to click on the class period's backpack. You're going to select the student, and then the student schedule will appear. When you log into PowerSchool, this is your screen that you will see. At that time, that's when you select the class period and come over and select your backpack. Once you select the backpack, the student's name will appear to your left, and then the schedule will populate once you select your student. At that time, you can share the schedule with your student to make sure they're in the right class. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call me 416-2370 or email me at williamscd1@scsk12.org. Remember, have an awesome day.